Quarter 1, Week 2, Lesson 2, Creating and Opening Workbooks. Excel files are called workbooks. Whenever you start a new project in Excel, you'll need to create a new workbook. There are several ways to start working with the workbook in Excel. You can choose to create a new workbook either with a blank workbook or a pre-designed template or open an existing workbook. To create a new blank workbook, select File tab. Backstage view will appear. Select New, then click Blank Workbook. A new blank workbook will appear. As you can see, the title of this newly opened workbook is Book 3-Excel. The other procedure in creating new blank workbook is by pressing Control plus N in the keyboard. So this is the shortcut key. So press Control key, hold it, then press N. So as you can see, a new workbook appeared. So it has a file name Book 4-Excel. Now, to open an existing workbook, click File to navigate the Backstage view, then click Open. Select this PC, choose Browse. Then click the workbook you like to or you want to open. So let's say this one. Then click Open. Creating a new workbook from a template. A template is a pre-designed spreadsheet you can use to create a new workbook quickly. Templates often include custom formatting and predefined formulas, so they can save you a lot of time and effort when starting a new project. To create a new workbook from a template, just click File, choose New, then create or select the template you like to use. So let's say calendars. So there are so many templates that you can select from. So let's say you like this one. Then afterwards, click Create. Then the selected template will appear. Now, how to pin a workbook? To pin a workbook, just click File to navigate the Backstage view, then click Open, and select the workbook you like to be in the pinned area. Click this push pin icon. As you can see, the pupil's profile is now in the pinned area. Compatibility mode. Sometimes, you may need to work with workbooks that were created in earlier versions of Microsoft Excel, such as Excel 2003 or Excel 2000. When you open this type of workbooks, they will appear in compatibility mode. Compatibility mode disables certain features, so you'll only be able to access commands found in the program that was used to create the workbook. For example, if you open a workbook created in Excel 2003 or 2010, you can only use tabs and commands found in Excel 2003 or 2010. To convert a workbook, simply click File tab, then choose Info, then click Convert. Then a dialog box will appear. Choose OK. The workbook will be converted to the newest file type. The workbook will be converted to the newest file type as you click Yes. That's all for now. Thank you.